Welcome to the lesson on surface areas and volumes of combinations of solids. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to calculate the surface area and volume of a cube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder and a cone. Additionally, you will be able to calculate the total surface area and volume of a solid composed of a combination of fundamental solid shapes. The solid shapes that we have encountered so far in mathematics are simple fundamental shapes like cubes, cuboids, spheres, cylinders or cones. You have also learned how to solve problems that are related to surface areas and volumes of these shapes using standard formulae. Let us revisit the standard formulae for calculating areas and volumes of fundamental solid shapes. The curved surface area, or CSA, is the area of the curved surfaces for the solid. The remaining surfaces of the solid are the flat or the non-curved surfaces. In a cone, the flat surface is the circular area of the base. In a cylinder, the flat surfaces are the top and bottom circular areas. A sphere has no flat surface, whereas a cuboid and a cube have only flat surfaces. The flat surface area and the CSA of a solid together add up to the total surface area, tSA, for the solid. Take a moment to review all the formulae. You must remember the formulae in order to solve problems on areas and volumes of solids. In real life, you will encounter a variety of complex shapes which are made up of a combination of simple solids. When you try and solve problems on surface areas and volumes for complex shapes, you run up against difficulty. You cannot directly apply the standard formulae to these complex shapes. There is, of course, a fairly simple approach that is used for calculating areas and volumes. The trick lies in recognizing the fundamental solid shapes which make up the complex shape. A simple approach used for calculating the surface area and volume for complex shapes is: split up the complex solid shapes into fundamental solid shapes. Apply a standard formulae to the fundamental shapes to calculate areas or volumes and add the results of the calculation. This brings us to the end of this section. Hope you enjoyed your learning experience.